and welcome to the full free tutorial on how to film, edit and upload your YouTube videos just by using your smartphone. Hi, my name is Sumaya and you're watching Suzandairies. In this video, I'm going to take you through step-by-step process for creating the content for YouTube just by using your mobile phone, be it Android or iPhone. I am also going to answer you the top questions that we have received from the Susan community on each of these steps. So what are you waiting for? Grab your phone, any additional accessories, maybe a drink or a notepad, and buckle your seat belts because I'm getting started right now. And all you need is to record press button in your smartphone. I'm going to break this video into the 4 parts, starting from how to shoot video for YouTube. Since I'm using the Oppo Reno just because of the reason that it has got a good camera clarity, but if you have any other Android or any other smartphone, you are going to get the massive value from this video. So let's get into it. Hey guys, Sumaya here, and I am providing you with the greatest advice and the resources for creating the videos to increase your influence on the social media, be it YouTube, Instagram or any other platform. This is a 4-part series that really makes me excited because I'm going to guide you on how you can make your YouTube videos just by using your smartphone. The first segment of this video will be devoted to filming the video. In part 2, we will be working on the thumbnails. Third part will be regarding editing techniques, and the fourth and the final part we will be discussing on how to post and optimize your video. I'm recalling you again that all I have for this video is just a phone and some natural lights as I'm sitting opposite to the window. Right now I'm not too much into the gears, so I'm trying to encourage you that this video is really gonna walk you through step-by-step process of how you can start creating content just by using your smartphone. Tip number 1 is before you lock down your camera, just set up all your gears, put your phone on the selfie mode and get the feel of the room. And that's exactly what I did for this video. I took the phone on the selfie mode, walked around. I wanted to see how the background is looking in this video. Now you might think that I did it at once, but trust me, it took me a couple of times before I set up the right shot. At first, it really didn't work out well. Then I kept the tripod at arm's length to avoid the background looking so busy. I moved around the room, then finally locked in the right shot. Tip number 2 is to get all your gears ready. Here's the cool thing. You can put your phone on the high shelf or high rack and then use your camera's microphone. But there are few pieces of gears that I personally recommend to level up your videos, and that's add some lighting kits. Tip number 3 is to lock down your shot in the normal camera. Now there is always a dilemma of capturing the video in the selfie mode or normal camera, and I suggest making it on normal camera mode. And the best way to capture is to test shot first while we move to the final recording. I recommend sit and start by saying something to test your video, audio and the background. It's always advisable to make sure that everything is in frame, it looks nice, and then when you get started, we are good to go. Tip number 4 is to lock in video setting before you start shoot. Now most cameras on your phone are of maybe 1080 pixels, which is great, but if you have the option of using 4K, go for it. I'm currently working on 4K at 30 frames per second. And the cool thing about 4K is that it's easy to edit as well as it looks better on the YouTube, helping you to get more views and build your brand faster. I will be helping you with the editing techniques later in the series. Meanwhile, if you are getting the value out of this video, then smash the like button and turn on your notifications to get the information about new videos. Alright, let's get right back into the tips. Tip number 5 is to deliver the content properly. Now, before I even sat down to record this video, there are two things that I did. The first thing is that I researched about the topic. Then I set up all my gears, and finally I started to record. Not that I sit and stare on the camera and think what I'm going to record. No, I actually knew what the video was going to be about. The second thing I did is I took the content and I broke down it into the points, as it helps to record the video better and allows the audience to follow along with the video all the way till the end. Then simply I proceeded for the recording. While I walked through the entire video, I stumbled at first and I had to stop and restart, which is completely okay, as you are not going to get it right in the first shot, but just keep going. Alright, and now that the video footage is in our phone, it's ready for the edit. Actually, there is one more step before that, and that is to create a great thumbnail for the YouTube. So, if you want to watch part 2 of the series, you can click or tap on the YouTube card, and I will also post the link of it in the description below. Hey guys, I'm back ready to answer some of the questions, and bunch of the questions are about lighting, and specifically image does not look so good at sometimes, and yes, the reason is because of the low lights. Now the question is that how we can set up the lights in the right direction. So let's remember that one of the best way of good looking video out of any camera is to actually invest in some lighting. Also, if you can sit in front of video, that also makes the video good, but I recommend softbox kit from the Amazon that we can get almost $30. With this, I will also advise to set up your lighting typically on the right side and the left side little bit raised, as well as pointing down towards you. So here's a big tip on the lighting experiment until you box with it. Do some test shots and experiment a bit, and of course it makes your body a little bit tired, but trust me, it's going to affect the elements in the background. And a lot of this comes with just trial and error and practice method. So test your camera at different heights, angles, until you're gonna love the way it looks. Now it's a time to record, but wait, we need to know about the best way to get the great audio. If you're going to start with just in-camera microphone, make sure that you are closer, because the microphone is going to pick up the lot, and also make sure that you're talking directly into the camera, and then it can pick up your audio. It's also good that if you are in the smaller room with the lower ceiling and the carpet, then you are always good to go. Okay, so now I'm excited about this part because we are going to create the thumbnail using our smartphone. In case you are getting value out of this video, make sure that you smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. And now let's get into the part number 2. One of the most important elements of growing your YouTube channel is creating great thumbnails. But you need to understand that we do not need any kind of fancy camera or a computer to get started. All you need is your phone. So in this video, I will be breaking it further into 3 easy steps. Hey, my name is Sumaya and you are with Suzandairies, helping you build your influence with online video and social media. And in this channel, I solve your problems. So if you are new here, consider subscribing it and push on your notification buttons Okay, now I know it can be really scary when you're getting started with the YouTube, having to figure out the cameras, editing software, and other simple things to create simple thumbnail. That's the reason I want to walk you through 3-step process that I use to create my thumbnails using my Android phone. So let's jump into the tip number 1. One of the most major points of understanding how to make a great thumbnail as per my research is the type of the thumbnail that gets most of the clicks are the one that evokes emotions. When we are pointing or looking towards words, it actually expresses that it should be clicked, and that's the start of the great thumbnail. The second part of the process is to take a lot of pictures. I usually take about 10 pictures every time whenever I'm going to work on my thumbnail. And the reason for that is that I just want to make sure that I find the right one. And if in case I only take 1 or 2 pictures and we go to the editing process, we are definitely gonna get disappointed, because we need to get the right thumbnail to grow our channel. So here are some tips that you should keep in mind while you are making your thumbnail. The first tip is keep the camera right in front of you with the arm's distance away. And the reason for this is that it helps us from the messy background. Okay, now there we go, and I took the picture, and I will be doing it about 10 times before I get into the editing process. Okay, so I'm done with my shoots. For editing, open up your photo app. You can get the right to the photo that you want to choose and then hit the button. I personally recommend to use the free application called Canva. But yes, there are other applications that can be used too. Some of them are PicMonkey, Buzzart, and Photorama. Now it's the time to edit the entire YouTube video in the next step of this tutorial. Here we go. So you have recorded a video with your phone and now you need to edit it for the YouTube. Well, in this video, I am going to walk you through my easy step-by-step process for editing your videos. Hey, I'm Sumaya, bringing you the best tips and tools for building your influence with online videos and social media. And in this channel, we make tutorials to solve your problems. If you're new here, consider subscribing. The editing software where I like to edit my video is VideoPad. I like this application because there is a paid as well as the free version. The free version is the one we are going to use for this tutorial. Now for this, we need to upload our video from the files. Click new. When you click new, it's gonna bring you to the album, and from there you are going to upload the video and then drag it to editing bar for the editing. Okay, now you're going to import or upload the video file that we created with our phone. Once the file is uploaded, we are gonna head into the editing process. I like to add some text for the social proofs. Yes, so with that we finished this part and we are going into the part 4 of the series, which is all about connecting the thumbnail to the video. If you haven't smashed the like button and you are getting the value out of this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now for editing the thumbnail, all you need to do is that go into this YouTube Studio application, click on the upload button and import the edited video. Alright, so we have our video and we are ready to go. Now it's a time to give the title of our video and then the description. Here's what I like to do. I keep some notes and I pre-put it in the description that I want to have. This allows me to have all the links that I need to insert in the description and any calls to action that I want to have inside that section. Now that everything is in place, I'm gonna add titles. Make sure that you upload this video as an unlisted at first to make sure that we optimize it properly. Alright, so our video is now uploaded and is on the unlisted mode, which means that public is not seeing it yet. And now we need to switch over the YouTube Studio app. Now you can see that on the right side there is a little pencil. Click that pencil. This is where we are going to upload our thumbnail. Click on the custom thumbnail, all photos. I'm going to grab my thumbnail now and I'm going to select it. So now that's there, I am going to save, and then when you have your tags, you're going to enter your tags. You're going to press return and then going to bring it up as the single tag. Then press save and now we are ready to go. All you need to do is change that unlisted to the public, then we are ready to publish our video. And yes, now our video is out in the public. Alright, so we all made it this far, which is really amazing, and if you all are still here, cheers to us. We made it to the end of this mega video. If you're still here, leave comment in the comment section and subscribe to our channel. We really want to hear from you at the Susan community about this video. And now it's your turn, so grab your phone and start shooting some videos. I'll see you in the next video.